Question: DS. In 1990, John invested $10,000 at X% simple annual interest and invested some other amount at Y% simple annual interest. What amount did John invest at Y%? Condition 1. The ratio of the total amounts of interest earned by John's investments using X and Y interest rate was 2 to 3. Condition 2. John invested the $10,000 at 8% simple annual interest. Let's solve this DS question using the variable approach. There are 3 variables in these questions: principal, interest rate, and time period. Therefore, with a DS question, it is very likely that we will have E as the answer. Let's apply 3 steps of variable approach. Let's follow the first step of the variable approach by modifying and rechecking the original condition and the question. We have to find the amount that John invested at Y% simple annual interest if, in 1990, John invested $10,000 at X% simple annual interest and invested some other amount at Y% simple annual interest. Because the second amount is different than the first amount, the number of variables increase, making it more likely that E is the correct answer. One principal amount is $10,000, and let's call A the other amount. The simple interest rates are X and Y, respectively. We are looking for the value of A. Follow the second and the third steps. From the original condition, we have 3 variables: A, X, and Y. To match the number of variables with the number of equations, we need 3 more equations. Since conditions 1 and 2 will provide just one equation each, E is about 80% likely to be the answer. Recall 3 principles and choose E as the most likely. Let's take a look at both conditions 1 and 2 together. Condition 1 tells us that 10,000 times of X over 100 is to A times Y over 100 is equal to 2 is to 3. And condition 2 tells us that X equals 8. Thus we get 10,000 times of 8 over 100 is to A times Y over 100 is equal to 2 is to 3, which gives 80,000 is to A times Y is equal to 2 is to 3 equals 2 times A times Y equals 80,000 times 3, which is 240,000. Thus, A times Y equals 120,000. But we still do not get a unique value of A. The answer is not unique, so the conditions combined are not sufficient by CMT2, which states that the number of answers must be 1. Conditions 1 and 2 together are not sufficient. Thus, E is the correct answer. Answer: E.